A hearty and warm welcome to one and all. The theme for our skit is sex education. Sex education is the instruction of issues relating to human sexuality, including emotional relations and responsibilities, human sexual anatomy, sexual activity and reproduction, age of consent, reproductive health and rights, safe sex, and birth control. Sexual health comprises a very important health domain. A key understanding of sexuality is instrumental in leading a healthy life. Curiosity about sexuality develops right from the very early stage of life, and afterwards, childhood experiences go a long way in molding adulthood sexuality. If we look at sexuality from a developmental perspective, identification and awareness about gender is an important element which often develops by the age of 3 years. Going ahead, gender identification and awareness intensifies at around puberty, when secondary sexual characteristics clearly manifest themselves and become all the more evident.
Good morning to everyone. Today we are going to discuss about sex education. Sex education also includes sexual practices and sexually transmitted disease. In olden days, it was thought that discussing sex is considered as taboo. Previously, the sexual education was given by the parents before the child marriage. But in the late 19th century, there is an introduction to the social hygiene. So, in the most of the northern countries, the school-based sex education was introduced. An outbreak of AIDS, sex education also sex in an outbreak of AIDS also given a new sense to the field of sexual education. So, as the sex education plays a critical role in every student's life. So, on the behalf of our team, we would like to present a small
आज तो रिसेस से ही पहले भूख लग गई। चलो हाथ धोने जाते हैं।
अरे तुम्हें चोट लगी है क्या?
चोट कहाँ? नहीं तो बस पेट दर्द कर रहा है। अरे ये क्या है? ये क्या हो गया? अब मैं क्या करूँ?
Let's go to ma'am.
No, I'm very scared. Let's not tell anyone.
Okay, we will go to Reshma ma'am.
Yes, come in. What happened, Shana and Prachi? What? Show me. Don't be panic, dear. Shanaya, is your stomach paining? Then no need to worry, beta. You have grown up now. These are all hormonal changes. सब लड़कियों को ये एज में होता ही है. इसे पीरियड्स आना बोलते हैं. इसी वजह से ब्लड फ्लो होता है. पहले मैं तुम्हें सैनिटरी नैपकिन देती हूँ, जस्ट कीप इट, ओके? और ज़्यादा पेट दर्द कर रहा है तो मैं हॉट बैग लेके आती हूँ, उसे पेट पे रख देना एंड देन टेक रेस्ट, यू विल फील बेटर. नो नीड टू वरी. मीनवाइल आई विल कॉल योर पेरेंट्स एंड देन यू कैन गो होम, ओके? नो नीड टू वरी बेटा, दिस इज नॉट वेरी बैड थिंग, दिस इज वेरी गुड थिंग, ओके?
It becomes very necessary to mold one plate before it gets dry. This is the right time to educate students on sex education so that they will not be misunderstood.
What happened to Shania? Why is she going home? I guess she got hurt. No, she's not well.
हाँ, अच्छा हुआ दीपा मैम आप आ गए. मैं आपके पास आने ही वाली थी. क्या तुम्हें पता है जो शनाया के साथ कल इंसिडेंट हुआ था उससे क्या प्रॉब्लम हुआ है? शनाया को जब पीरियड स्टार्ट हुए थे तो उसके यूनिफॉर्म पे ब्लड मार्क था। ये रिसेस होने की वजह से सब बच्चों ने देख लिया एंड ऑल स्टूडेंट्स हैड अ मिसकंसेप्शन नाउ दैट शी इज हैविंग सम डिसीज. I mean, they are thinking in a wrong direction now, and we have to correct them. Okay, we have to give proper sex education session to the children of this age. This will provide them knowledge about various aspects of reproductive health, reproductive organs, puberty, adolescence, tooth sessions, and hygiene, etc. We must come forward to spread awareness among the students. This is very important in the young and adolescents because this is the age where there are hormonal changes and they obtain secondary sexual characteristics. One should know about that, and this age and young age people are more open to acquiring the various sexually transmitted diseases. Giving the right information at the right time would help them to lead a reproductively healthy life. And this also protects them from misconception regarding the sex related issues. Everyone has to face it in this particular age, and I think we should raise this incident to the school committee. I think we should talk this to the principal ma'am.
Now the girl reaches home. Parents were happy knowing the incident, so they pampered her and they made her feel comfortable. Extra love, care, and affection is showered on her from now onwards. Whereas, on the other hand, लड़कों का भी नजरिया बदला. मनुष्य के मानसिक और शारीरिक बदलाव को समझते हुए लड़कों ने अपना समाज के प्रति दायित्व समझा. स्त्री के प्रति आदर और सद्भावना की भावना उनमें जागी. इन सब से हम ये कह सकते हैं कि अगर सही समय पर सही ज्ञान विद्यार्थियों को दिया जाए तो बहुत कुछ बदला जा सकता है. धन्यवाद.
The moral: with the help of sex education, we learn about sexual behavior such as abstinence and sexuality throughout life, sexual health including sexually transmitted disease like AIDS, contraceptives, and unwanted pregnancy.